So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can disable the auto updates of the selected games on your Steam profile. If you don't know, you have been having an option of disabling auto update, and that option enables all the games that you have been installed on your Steam profile. All the games have been disabled the auto updates. So if you want to disable the auto update of the selected games only, so I'm going to show you a little process. So all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam software on the device that you have been using. For this video I am using Windows PC, so I open the Steam on my Windows PC. When you open that, the home page will look something like this. You have been familiar with this. Now you have to go to the option of library over there, over the second option over there. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you are in the library section, where on the left window you can see all your games. Now just simply select the game that you want to disable the auto update. Well, for example, if I select Counter Strike, now I want to disable the auto update. All you have to do is to just simply go to the option of settings, a small icon you can see over there. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you have to go to the option of properties on the last option in this small window. When you click there, here a general window will open for this Counter Strike game. Now on the left window you have to go to the option of updates. When you click there, you can see automatic update sections. Just simply click on this option, and here you can see the three options. Always keep this app updated, only update this game when I launch it, and keep it to high priority. So if you want to disable the auto update, just simply select this option of only update this game when I launch it. So it will not automatically update it, but once you start the game, it will be updated before launching the game. So by this method you can easily disable the auto update on the Steam profile games. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.